Hi, my name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And my wife Megan reached out to your company recently about a video to provide some tips and insights into digital marketing for NuPower Electric. I wanted to send you this quick website audit, as promised, to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. In this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. The three things that we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on your front page that Google can read as far as text goes. So that's going to be normal text, like your titles, your images, if there were any images, and how the images are saved. That's all stuff that Google can read. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want to stuff it with content that has to do with buyer intent. So, for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician, Arlington, Texas, Arlington electrician, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website will pop up. Looking at your website. Right now, I can't say that obviously you have spent a lot of time building it and putting effort into making it very accessible and easy to navigate. You have lots of internal linking here to your different services. You do have a very nice call to action up here, giving that that military discount, bringing your I'm assuming this is your license here. Your license number. So, and I also like that you do have a separate page for each of these different services that you offer. Now, taking a look, there we go. This is one of your specific pages. Now, we do highly recommend that you keep your service pages or your back pages, which is what this would be, at 500 content words or greater, because you do want to target specific keywords that you could potentially rank for and bring that much more traffic into your website, aside from just your normal home page. It would be suggested or highly recommended to include testimonials here on the home page. I do know that you have a separate back page for it, but again, this is your front door of your website. So you want this to have a lot of content and a lot of stuff that will build trust with the visitors of your website. So things like testimonials, making a bigger deal out of your master electrician certification or licensing, however you want to present that. And a lot more pictures. People love pictures, even if it's not the most exciting stuff to be presenting. As you could maybe do some before and afters or things like that to really draw in their attention. But overall, it is a well-built website, and I'm sure that you do get some traffic to it. Now, the next thing I wanted to go over is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. It's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. For example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services. Something that has to do with the services that you offer, as opposed to a backlink from your local Domino's or Macy's department store that are completely irrelevant to the service you offer. So a tool we use to measure your backlinks is something called Ahrefs. And as you can see here, you have over 11,000 backlinks from 12 referring domains. Which is actually a pretty hefty backlink profile. However, you're still only yielding about 2 people per month. This is your monthly traffic that are driven to your website by these organic referring domains. I will tell you that even though you have 11,000, I can already tell that a lot of them are lower quality meaning either they are not relevant to your website or they don't have any credibility themselves. You have a few in there that are in the 11 to 20 range, but not very many, as a proportion to your overall backlinks. So Google is not going to give you as much power as you would if you had some higher quality backlinks. I wanted to take a look at one of your competitors. This is Mr. Electric of Dallas, a very big national company. Just for their Dallas DFW area, you can tell they only have 72 backlinks from 22 referring domains, but they have over 60 in their organic traffic. So their traffic is much higher because their backlinking is much more relevant. The last thing I wanted to go over with you is something called citations. Citations are important because they are one of the first things that pop up whenever someone does a Google search. So if we were to search electricians, Arlington Texans, you'll see this is the first thing that pops up. It's a map, aside from your ads that are up here. This is going to be what draws a lot of traffic to different websites. Again, Mr. Electric popping up here at the top. And the way you get up here is by acquiring citations, which is the name of your business, phone number, and address listed in the various directories across the internet. Yelp, Home Advisor, House, Porch, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Those are all different directories. There's hundreds of them. The more directories that you're listed in, the higher you will rank here. And what we suggest for both backlinks and citations is to just go after, we use this tool to go after the backlinks, acquire the same backlinks that they do, and then just add a 20 to 30% cushion on top of that. That way, by the time you pass them, it will be too late. You will have way more backlinks and citations than any of your competitors, and all you have to do is just keep on adding those backlinks and citations into your portfolio, and no one will be able to catch you. So that was a lot of information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to Megan. Thank you so much again for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.